Package dimensions: 5.842 x 16.764 L by 17.78 W centimeters. Designed using state-of-the-art technology. Package weight: 0.45 pounds. Country of origin: China. Top reviews from the United States. Good clips. I am not sure what you can really say about clips, but these are very sturdy. For the price, they can't be beat, especially if you're doing a large install. I used these to help permanently secure the cabling when I wired my house for Ethernet and coax, and I don't expect those wires are going anywhere for anything less than an earthquake.